the dog port again?
No.
Picked it up, moved it. We put, how many bags do you think we carried? 12?
Oh, easy, yeah.
Wow. 15 times. Let's see. I don't do that, I should know that.
Will it be cemented in the spring?
No.
I don't think so.
No. Take it down.
Hopefully we
Don't use it
don't
for
get a
the
wind like
cat
this
thing for
again.
dogs.
Hey guys, boy, the wind here is really, really bad. Our flagpole that's out front went over. We got the flag, back and folded and put away. And, the flagpole is a goner, so we got that off because it was laying in the driveway. And lots of little branches. Had to take my bird feeders down because the poles were going like this with the weight of it, so those are laying on the ground. The dog port, oh, I wonder if they saw that. If you guys are watching the cabana, you might have seen the dog port, the big shelter that's big above the dog area for shelter and shade. We heard it during the meeting, a big loud crash. We thought a tree fell or something, and then realized that shelter moved, picked it up and moved it, and then just a little bit ago it picked it up and moved it a whole foot. And what's that? Yeah, I had to pick it up, yeah. Yeah, to get up over that. Yeah, that's scarier yet. The tidy cat. So we had a bunch of us, we carried about 15 bags of 50-pound, our litter that we got for Kitty Christmas, 750 pounds, and laid it on the far edge. You can see it on the cabana where we laid the,
They can see out that way.
yeah, there's a dog cam. So hopefully that will keep that from lifting up in the air again. Had to lift it up like this far because it went up and landed down on stuff that was pretty good tallness. Oh, it's crazy. It's just really crazy. I don't know what the gusts are, but, and the river is really full and very dirty. You can tell it's picking up a lot of debris. And very, very fast. That wind is really pushing it. There was a tree up the road that fell and it landed on the electric lines and it caught the tree on fire. That's why a couple people were late. They had to go around it. Crazy. I hope the chickens are okay.
Is it gonna die down now with darkness?
No, it's supposed to
No.
get worse. It says dangerously windy at 9 o'clock.
Oh, wow.
Well, I just hope that dog port doesn't do that again, because that would bash up the whole side of the front bumpers, you know. Ugh. Cyclone bomb, really? Oh, guys, as much as it costs to have those cottonwood trees taken down, I am so thankful that we did, because that could have very well been a disaster. I keep looking out there at the livestock. For the first time ever, the guinea hens, you know, those little round little things that we raised up, they have always roosted in the trees. I have never seen them in a building before, and just this evening I saw them in the one chicken coop. Never saw them go in there before. The bridge closes down tomorrow, Pablo, tomorrow morning. Yeah, I don't like it. I just don't like things to, I feel sorry for the animals outside. But our bird animals all have spaces, places they can get in. Some of the peacocks were huddled up against Mom's house and, had a wind barrier there. Wow, power for 3 days. Yeah, they've been saying dangerously windy all day today. Yeah, I don't like the wind. All right, you all stay safe.